Hello, welcome to Adroit software. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to use the church management software and how it can help you to manage your church activities. Okay, so this is how the software interface looks like. As you can see, this is the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a graphical overview of how the church activities, the members, the graphical or the chart, and how the organizations looks like. Okay, and on my left we have the financial resource management. That is the accounting aspect. It deals or it handles the accounting aspect of the software. That's for your business. It will handle the accounting aspect of your business or the church. We have the operations. Operations to handle the church members, organization, the group, the leaders, and everything. We have the customer relation management. We have the payroll. The payroll to handle the employees. You can use it to generate pay slips for the employees that are under the church. We have the bill of material that handles the manufacturing. If you are into manufacturing, you can use this to manage the church or your business. But I'll be talking to you about few of them. So under the financial resource management and the operations, let me quickly take you through the operations. The operations, this software will be able to generate reports that are necessary for the church. For example, it can generate report for your members, all the members that the church have, the name, the telephone number, their residence, and the organizations that they joined. Also, we have a report. It will generate a report for all the organizations, the organizational head, the assistants, the meeting days that these organizations held their meetings. We also have a report on the leaders, all the leaders that you have in the church. The software will generate a report on them, their telephone number, their details, full details of them. Also, we will have a report on the classes or the small groups. Sometimes some of the churches you have small groups that are in the church, within the church. So you can enter everything into the system to generate this kind of report for you. So you can have the attendance report for all the days, the time, and everything. Attendance for each member. The software will generate this report for you at a given time or year. We also have the head count to know the total number of members, the total number of female members, total children, and the full congregation. You can have details of all these reports. Okay, so let's come to how we enter members into the system. So this is the form. As you can see, these are already existing members that we have already queued in. You can as well add new members to it. You click on new, you have these details that you can fill. Have all these details that you can fill. You can select them can select the picture or the image of that member. You can select it as well to be added. After that, you click on new, it will add it. You click on new, it will add it to the system. So these are some of the details that you can select: the organization that they join, the group, the classes. So it's a full detail that you can add to every member. You have the organizations. This is where you key in the organization that you have. You go to new and you enter everything over there. You have the groups. This is the groups where you can enter the groups. Go to new, you can edit as well. You have the leaders. So all the leaders, you can key in their details of all the leaders that you have in your church, full details of them. You go to add new. After you have filled everything over here, you click on add new to be added to the system for you to generate a report on them. Department, this is a department for where you can add all the department that you have in the church. Okay, so let's come to, here's where you can mark attendance. You can use this form to mark attendance. You select the member's name, their status, present or absent. You have the service, whether it's a first service or second service. Some churches you can add, if you have 3 services, you can as well add it to the system. It can be customized to add to the system if you have 3 services. Okay, after that you click on post this button, it will be posted to the system. You have the church income, how the church generates income. This is the window you can use. You select the date, you select the amount, maybe they are paying tithe, you select the person's name, the amount, then whether it's tithe, you select tithe, then you process it. Once you process it, it will be added, it has been added to the system. It has added to the system. So let's come to visitors. This is where you enter new visitors that comes to the church, their telephone number, their email number, their residence and everything, and who invited them to the church. You can as well add everything there and click on post to be added to the system. Here's the head count. This is the form for the head count. This is the church attendance. After everything, after you entered or keyed everything, every information here, you just click on post. It will be added to the system for you to generate all these reports that I already talked to you about. So under the accounting aspect of the software, we can, as you can see, let's see our profit and loss, where the accountant can view the profit and loss at a given year. Okay, so this is the profit and loss. This is the profit and loss. So this is the profit and loss. Let's see the trial balance. Okay, so this is our trial balance. As you can see, this is the trial balance. Okay, so you can also use this, the customers. You can use this window to enter all the members of the church. You can use this window to enter all the members. Go to new. You can use here to enter all the members. The details over here, you can use here. Go to new to add it. And if you have suppliers that supply anything to the church, this is where you enter all the items that they supply to the church. Your suppliers, the inventory, you have the inventory 2 forms here. You can enter every inventory that the church has. So another pay, this is the payroll. This is where you generate pay slip for all the employees under the church. This is the payroll system. This is the payroll. You can select the year, the period, you can select the year, then it will be displayed. You have the payroll, the pay slip over there. Okay, so this is the dashboard, the total number of female and male. As you can see, the organizations, you can see the chart over here. Okay, and another thing is this system can be customized to your preference, however you want it to be. Maybe you want us to do some changes. This is the advantage for using our system. You can customize it for you, whichever way you want us to do it for you. It can be customized. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be useful.